Hello, beautiful viewers, and welcome to part 3 of the BTS Photo-Folio mini-series. And today, in part 3, we'll be unboxing Jin. This is Jin's photo book, Special 8 Photo-Folio. I can talk. And we will get it out of the plastic and be right back. Okay, welcome back to part 3. Thank you for tuning in and continuing to watch this mini-series. Part 3, of course, is Jin, like I said. And Jin has like a sailor sort of on the water theme. And this is about a little bit after, but this is about when he did his whole Super Tuna. If you don't know what Super Tuna is, please go on YouTube and just type in Jin Super Tuna, and your life will never be the same. So this is the plastic cover, like they all have. Me, myself, and Jin. Sea of Jin Island. Just the official stickers. Okay, and we'll take this plastic off so we can see the book better. Take all of the inclusions out. Okay, there's Jin. So let's look at the back again. Got all the plastic on it. It says at the top. This folds out, but there's a picture here. Admiral Jin. The Sea of Jin Island. That'd be a great place to visit, wouldn't it? Okay, so I love the oversized sort of admiral's coat with all the accoutrement. I mean, his face is just mesmerizing. Gorgeous. And I really like what they did with the eyebrows. This whole like cut your eyebrow thing. I know it's not that, it's probably makeup, but it's very in right now. Oh, and also, I was saying that he came out with the video. This was at the same time that he shot that video. He also shot most of these pictures. So I'm assuming this is somewhere off the coast of LA. Or off the coast of California. Pretty sure that brooch is not official. I'm kidding. Of course it's not. It's art. Such a pretty landscape. Okay, and this is the next look. I like to call this look Jin the Pirate. So we had Jin the Admiral. Now we have Jin the Pirate. Or if you're a One Piece fan, Jin the Marine, and Jin the Pirate. So he's giving off this bad boy, I steal what I want pirate. I'm pretty sure Jin does no stealing except for our hearts, of course. This looks like a puddle on the road somewhere. these little headband clips. Okay, and next is the Jin the boat hand, or boat deck hand, or cabin boy, or I don't know, something. So fish or fisherman Jin has his fishing. This is his fishing net. And he's trying to figure out how to untangle the net here. Now he's going fishing. And now he's fishing. I like this shot. It's like reminds me of the Titanic. Black and white version. This color says respect. We do respect you too. These are some behind the scenes, because here's the camera guys. I remember seeing a video on YouTube, like a behind the scenes video collection. Yeah, because this was lunched. Some kind of, I can't tell, there's a bowl. I'm assuming he's eating seafood, because I know he loves seafood. There's a fishy. It's a pretty fish. Oh! Speaking of which, this is his making of super tuna. I must have watched this video, I don't even know, like 1,000 times when it was released. I loved it. I thought it was so fun and so cute, and it's just what everyone needed at that time. It's what I needed at that time. So that's cute that he kind of included the 2 behind the scenes pages of him recording the tune and filming it with his two dancers. Also, I don't see it in this. You can sort of see it. It's hard to see. But he's wearing this like shark thing on his shoulder. It's kind of hard to see. But if you watch it in this one I guess is the best picture of it. Right here. But if you watch the video, you'll see it much clearer. And then the guys in the back also have a couple other. And what they are is dog toys from Target. So he must have had somebody in his team go to Target and get some kind of fish toy, and I believe it looked like, it's not an actual tuna, it's a shark, but it's blue and it kind of maybe looks like a shark, like a tuna fish. But I went and actually bought one from my Target, and they had it, and I don't know where I put it. I should have gotten it out for this. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Anyway, I went out and got it, and then it's like a squeaked. It's basically for a dog. It was like $10, I think, and a lot of people bought them, obviously, after Jin had one on his shoulder. So there's his credits in green. Then V was the next book after his, but we are going in root order. That was Jin's photo book. Now we're going to go through his objects. First is his poster. No, we'll start this side. Green. And then his poster is this way. Looking very irresistible. And then this is his postcard. Pirate Gin. And then his part of the puzzle piece. Make sure you stay tuned to part 8 when we finally reveal the full picture. And then this is his 8 sticker set. Pirate Gin, Admiral Gin, and Fisherman Gin. Sounds like a drink. Okay, so those are his stickers. And then his special object was adorable. It's actually, they're coming out. They're in this little packet, which looks like a fishnet, which is adorable. And they're these little tuna fish drawings that he made. Let's see. Yep. And then it's really hard to see, but it says gin right there in Korean. So these are his tunas. I guess you can ride on them. You could, I don't know, you can do all sorts of stuff if you wanted to. Okay, and then his 2 photo cards. This is his first one. I also like that the backs match the color theme. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but there's little tunas down here. So this is his first photo card, which is Admiral Gin. And then his second photo card another Admiral Gin. Okay, so let's get all of this organized. So this is everything included in Jin's photo book. Okay, so if you would please like this video and subscribe to see the next parts of this video as we complete the collection. Okay, make sure you take care of each other, okay? See you later. Watch out for the next part. Do 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 do.